we're back.
Oh,
Now,
we're back. So are you right?
No, it's like we're
I have
like,
to come
we're
back a
like to
little
move
bit.
back now.
Okay. Apologies.
Take two. Now we're going to do
Well,
fish or shy?
oh,
Shy. Let's go shy
Sorry,
because it's so cute.
do have to apologise. The chicken
Oh,
has just come inside.
chicken!
So, excuse me as I deal with the chicken. And you have the dog.
Okay, I have the dog. Jojo, you can help me. I'm feeling a little bit unsure, so I'm going to take all the pieces out for the shark.
Are we making the shark?
Yes, because the shark's cute.
The shark is cute, and I like its little fin and tail. I don't know if we
teeth.
call them.
Yes,
Oh.
shark fins. Yeah.
Obviously, I did not shut the door. How embarrassing, Michelle. Excuse me.
Okay, so we've got that. Oh, Froggy lets them with them away.
So sorry, people.
What's coming? Chicken! It's Rock! Alright, I can do this bit though. This is the easy one.
Oh, she wanted a bit of stardom, did she?
She did.
I do apologise.
Okay, I'll do the fish here because that one I can do. I'll leave you to do that
Oh,
one,
okay.
the hard one.
So where does the... Oh, there's quite a few pieces.
Yes, so where's the
So
picture?
I guess the tail goes...
Oh, and I need to do this bit too. Hey, are we doing,
Oh, yes.
is it,
We
is
need
it,
string.
oh gosh, I just ripped that.
So let's do a little bit shorter then, shall we?
Yeah.
Instead of doing the 12 inches, shall we do...
Oh, we did a little bit longer than 12.
Shall we do 9 inches, do you think?
Yep, we could do
By the time we do...
where's your scissors gone?
The horrible knot cutting very well. Here we go.
Okay. Only one sticker?
Yes.
Okay.
No, there's
Maybe
actually
two
enough to
stickers.
both sides.
Both sides. Okay.
Oh, that's adorable. They have
That's
thought of
very
everything.
cute, haven't they?
They have thought
So
of
I
everything.
believe this was, I don't even know if it's $30. I think it's less than that.
What a cute gift.
Who would you?
My
Yeah,
nephew would like
nephew
this
would
one.
like this. I think so. Our junior art class would love
Oh,
this, wouldn't
yes.
they? It'd be great for a party.
Wouldn't it be
Anyone wants to do a
cute?
party?
Okay, so you want to put the fish in. Do it again
way?
where we doubled it again. Yeah.
You do it.
So I I made like a little U, just so two bits.
Ah, yeah, a little
You
bit.
know, just so it was more.
These are quite cool.
I know. And so I take it that this time he's
Yeah.
just got a little. But I'm wondering, does the anything go? Oh yes, the tail. It says on the instructions,
Ah.
the tail goes in the. Look
Oh,
at that.
yeah. Oh, there's a mark.
And a mark. Okay, anything else? The
This is unrehearsed.
yeah, you
this
can
is
tell.
totally not. Oh, did you do it the right way? Oh yeah, the
Oh.
shiny bit. Shiny bit on the outside.
Well, it's got the glue.
Yeah.
The glue's to
Ah,
there,
the glue
so I
thing
can't
is there.
actually
Yes, you
do it
can't
any other
wrong.
way.
Okay.
Well, it's just that I couldn't do it any other way.
Yeah.
What about the oh no, the fin's
fin
going
goes outside.
after. You can see that. Oh,
Whoop.
oh, I've popped it. Sorry.
So where does it go?
Yeah, there. Yeah, and as you seal it, it will seal that in nicely. Oh,
Nice.
oh, that is
Nice.
adorable.
Oh, is this too short now? It's gonna be easy. Easy target. Oh, sharks are pretty good at getting there.
Okay, googly eyes and fins.
Googlies. Googlies.
So
I
I'm
love
just
doing the
gonna-
googlies.
I love how you can bend these. That's
Yeah.
just so cute.
Oh,
Okay.
gorgeous.
Sticky tape. Oh, I'm glad my nails were painted for this, you
Yeah.
know, because you always see in those videos, eh? It was
Yes, I
beautiful
know,
and
they
bright
have
nails.
beautiful
And,
nails, and I never do.
yeah, and mine
Right,
are
Eva.
bright with my little daisies and my...
Well, you got to show them your daisy.
Oh, okay, so that's not looking as nice.
You need to get closer.
Oh, closer. Which way does the fin go? That way? Yes, yes.
Yeah, that'll do.
Gosh, this is showing that I don't really know. There's my nails. So nice. Just did them just for this? No, I had actually no clue.
And then what? And then here.
Yes. Do the fins, would it matter? Do they... Gosh, it really shows that I don't know much about sharks.
Well,
They go down. So they... So
That's
they
what I think.
yeah, that goes like that. Is that how you're doing it?
yeah.
But on which side?
Well, it's only one side, then, eh?
Yeah. So yeah, I think we should have swapped sides.
Oh, really?
Well, because I don't know, that's going out.
Okay. Well, we can swap.
Yeah, don't you think? Because see, then it's just a bit tidier for the old. What's that word?
Right,
you know, in your aesthetics.
Look at
Oh, he is way cooler. He is so cool. He's cooler than the frog.
Look at his googly
I have to
eyes.
say. So I'm just going to fix that frog and put the bug.
Okay, I'm still no good.
Excuse me, Michelle. I'm just taking the fly and putting.
Yeah, got it.
Did you?
It went in.
Great hand-eye coordination for little kids.
Here we go.
You should do this in your art class, Michelle. Such it's so cute. And did you do a fish on each side? And you're
Only one side.
yeah, I like how you do it on both sides.
Well, shall we try and see if we can make the other one too?
Oh, okay. You think we're going to try?
Maybe.
We're making some fish. Okay. Oh, okay. So was that 9 inches too short?
Maybe do a little bit.
Okay, so this is going to do 10 it is. Oh, this is like a range of fish with this little tail. And the fish gets the worm. Because you know, in New Zealand, that's what we do. We fish with worms. I do not know any fisherman in New Zealand who fishes with worms. Do you know any fish do that? We fish with fish. In America, do they fish with worms? I don't know. What happens across America? I've always said, like, in Canadian, you know, they're always like, in comments, they're always digging up worms. I don't think it's a huge thing. Does that make sense? But anyway,
Yeah.
so right, okay.
Just the tail.
The tail, and we just think, just putting the string, I'm just doing that circular thing again. I did the little U, and the tail, you think it goes straight on top. Yep, straight on top. Yep, perfect. Michelle. Oh, it's like that. What? You think we're not wrong way out?
No.
Yeah, that won't matter because it's both in, both are inside. Perfect. Because it's both sides. But, You're gonna do it. Oh,
Oh, I don't do it right.
I double sided green tips.
No, but I don't even give it a while. But it's really,
While you're doing that, I get to do the good eyes this time
yes, you do.
because I do love the good. And these are decent sized good
They
eyes.
are.
I
They
love
are.
these and they feel quite solid.
Yeah.
Not like the ones that you get on the chicken machine.
Oh, that's so cool.
Oh, that
My
worm.
room is a little
It's
bit.
just like my caterpillars.
Okay.
Bit of a naked
I know, you got another one.
Dog.
You got another one.
dog in the background, checking him to visit.
Yeah, what else?
And we're making animals.
Look at it's not here.
No, but it's
Oh, I'm so bad at this.
line it up.
I can't line it up.
Oh, I love that it looks like the blue eyes on all the bugs.
Yeah.
These are really cute.
Here you go, you try this one.
Okay. How long did it make this?
There you go. First time.
No, I need a lot of.
Yeah.
I really need practice.
Wait.
Oh,
Oh yeah, this is way too long.
but I'll do 12 inch. I actually reckon we did a bit more than 12 inch. Oh, I need some fidget to show